So it's Sunday the 5th of June, it's 10 to 6 in the evening, and I'm just going to do a little summary of the Moorefield Road, Sperling Road, St Louis Road situation this evening. And I'm starting on the corner, as you can see, of Moorefield Road. So let's get a closer look at this collection here. Someone who clearly eats lots of Doritos. And as we just have a scan along Moorefield Road, we can see again the usual bits of litter, beer cans, cigarette ends. I think that might be a fishbone there. There it is, somewhere around there. Just the general debris on the street. I have had a very pleasant email from someone at the council in response to my last film, and I'm hoping to meet with that person this week. So in fact I probably won't put this up until after I've had that meeting, and in all fairness I was contacted, but just to keep everyone updated and a log of the situation in the area. And what I'll do is I'll do the film in stages so that you don't necessarily have to walk all the way around with me. But as I'm sure you can see, it is, as usual, unpleasant and dirty. So this is Moorefield Road. Moorefield Road. And still on Moorefield Road, just a little corner of debris again here. All highly unpleasant, as I'm sure you can agree. So here we are now at the bottom of Sperling Road. And we have further debris and waste in the corner here. Again, just general dirtiness. So we're on the other side of Sperling Road now, and we're just going to take a walk up the road, just as anyone would, walking up the road. Just going to let you see what anyone else would see just walking up this street in the London Borough of Haringey. Makes it look like a very attractive, desirable area, I'm sure you'll agree. There seem to be so many fast food wrappers. This is just one little example. This is McDonald's. With some KFC down the other end. Bit more McDonald's waste there, I think. Kind of constant, perhaps low-level rubbish, but it all builds up into unpleasantness for both residents and visitors to the area. And it's unhygienic for young people. And it's unpleasant. There's a nice little example across the road there. If I can get this to go across, there we are. Nice collection of waste on the floor. So all I'm doing is walking up the pavement just like any person could do. It could be someone who knows the area, it could be someone who's here for the first time. What kind of impression do they get of this neighborhood? And we're just going to go up as far as the primary school, because I think that the point has probably been made. Get more beer cans. We have some very nice pubs in Tottenham. I don't understand why people can't drink in those. Plastic bottles, clearly just thrown from somewhere. We are up to Clacton Road, so halfway up Sperling Road, and in fact if we look closely, I've just noticed at the end of Clacton Road, if we look closely, once this car has moved, we'll be able to see just rubbish strewn about on the end of the road there. Lovely. Little more waste right by the primary school gate. So first thing tomorrow morning, this is what our local youngsters will be greeted with. How wonderful. Again, yet more plastic tins, and looking down the road, looking down the side, you can see yet more beer cans. Yet more McDonald's by the primary school. Excellent image there. A rubber glove. Lovely. Questionable. And some dirty chicken. Oh, and here's the other rubber glove. At least they were a pair. Who knows what they were doing there? Certainly not washing up around here, I don't think, given the amount of waste that we see. So looking down the top corner of Woodside Gardens, and again, this is not big piles of rubbish, but this is just little bits of rubbish all over the street. So now at the top of Sperling Road, and again, phone box. At the bottom of the phone box, a collection of unsightly unpleasantness. So if you drive into Sperling Road from the top, this is what greets you. This is your first impression of this area. Just general mess.